In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text to columns. If you've ever had a single column crammed with information, like full names you want to split into first and last or addresses separated by commas, this tool in Google Sheets will turn that clutter into clean, usable columns in just a few clicks. First, take a moment to prepare your sheet. Insert a few empty columns immediately to the right of the data you plan to split. This matters because split text to columns fills cells to the right of your selection and will overwrite anything already there. Give yourself a safety buffer by adding more columns than you think you'll need. You can always delete extras afterward. And don't worry, if something doesn't look right, you can use undo to revert the change. Next, select the data you want to split. Highlight the exact cells, a block of rows, or the entire column. Be precise here. Include only the rows that actually contain the text you want to separate, and avoid selecting headers unless you want those broken apart too. If your selection includes blank cells, that's fine. Sheets will place corresponding blanks in the new columns so your rows stay aligned. With your range selected, open the tool. Go to the data menu at the top and choose Split Text to Columns. When you click it, a small floating menu appears near your selection. This is where you choose the separator, the character that tells Sheets where to cut the text. Pick the separator that matches your data. Choose comma for items like city, state, and zip, or any list separated by commas. Use semicolon if your entries are split with semicolons. Select period with caution, since it can break decimal numbers into separate columns. Choose space if the pieces are divided by spaces, keeping in mind that extra spaces may produce more columns than expected. If you're not sure, try Detect automatically. It analyzes your selection and makes a best guess. If the result isn't what you wanted, simply undo and try a different option. After the split, your original text remains in the first column, and the additional pieces fill the new columns to the right. From there, you can resize columns, adjust formatting, or move columns around as needed. And that's it. Prepare a buffer of empty columns, select exactly what you want to split, open Split Text to Columns from the Data menu, and choose the right separator. With a bit of practice, you'll turn messy text into organized, structured data in seconds.